Yeah.
If you can get across.
Hi. Oh, you are beautiful. Hello. Hello. You got a collar on. Somebody loves you.
His name's Murdo.
Murdo. Hey, Murdo. Oh, you beautiful big black thing. Are you stinky? Oh, I just had a shower, mate. I like your little white end of your tail.
Little white booties.
Little white paws.
And we don't have a chance if we live like them. So why don't you come with me to a place by the sea?
In this episode of Sailing Everlong, we spend some time in Riposto on the island of Sicily. After the formal dog introductions, we head into town to explore and to find our favourite thing: food. This market stall was a winner for sure. When visiting a new country, there's always a few things a little different than we're used to.
That is a serious clock.
What time is it, Darren?
It's 6:15. It doesn't even make any sense. Violent ringing. Oh my God, the smell. It's a very large pizza.
The hardest thing for us to get used to is the afternoon siestas when everything's shut down. So we had to make 2 visits to this pizza shop to get some real Italian pizza. Got our first pizza in Italy! Taryn and I expected a huge welcome when we returned to Everlong with the pizza. No one's even here. Pizza, sir!
This is the worst thing I've videoed in my life.
My feet are stuck in a bucket.
Why are your feet in a bucket?
Man, they're big pizzas.
Here's a Sailing Everlong trick. By renting a car to fill your boat's fuel tanks at a regular petrol station, the savings over marina prices pay for the car and let you go on land adventures.
Tiny track.
We went up Mount Etna.
Mount Etna. We're coming. We're coming for you. We're coming.
I think I found the problem with the old cable. There it is. It's snapped.
Snapped, eh?
That has been snapped.
Okay, please stop saying so. Look, a cloud hat.
It was freezing, so we warmed ourselves up with some local liqueur.
What you got there, Shannon?
So this one is called the Fire of Etna.
How's it smell?
Fruity.
Like a shot.
It's strong.
Tastes like medicine. Tastes like medicine. Good medicine?
Then it was down the mountain to the famous town of Thaw, which we would sail past the next day.
That's why he said a spiky too. That's awesome. I like it even more.
I managed to secretly film some car karaoke as we fought through the traffic.
Take me to your loving arms. See under the light of 1,000 stars. We're just about to leave Riposto to head up to the Messina Strait, but before we do, it's parking practice time.
For the crew, and you're next.
River flow takes me back deeper, deeper. Fresh cold of snow, broken sheet of ice. We move further, further apart.
Beauty.
Longest time waiting for the light.
Right. Neutral, want to carry you in?
Shortest time drifting, a sudden night. It's early evening and light. Watching it fall each way. I watch it fall, should we walk away? Snow falls upon sight. I think I know could take me back.
This here, we have the world's calmest parking instructor.
We headed north towards the Messina Strait. We heard horror stories about container ships, ferries, current, and swell. But for now, it was just fun in the sun. Just cruising up the east coast to Sicily. How are things going up there?
Pretty sweet. Something in the water over there. I don't know what that is.
Treasure!
Dolphin hunting. Well, not hunting. Dolphins just looking at us.
She's dolphin hunting up there, trying to find us some dinner. In the next episode, we sail through the Messina Strait and out to the Aeolian Islands.
Flakes of snow fall on my nose. I mistook you for my